Welcome to this introduction to evolution. Evolution is one of the most fundamental concepts in biology, helping us understand how life on Earth has diversified and changed over billions of years. In this video, we'll explore what evolution means, how it works, and why it's so important for understanding the living world around us. So what exactly is evolution? Evolution is the change in heritable characteristics of biological populations over successive generations. Let's break that down. Heritable characteristics are traits that can be passed from parents to offspring through genes. These changes don't happen to individual organisms, but rather to entire populations over time. Each generation may be slightly different from the one before it, and over many generations, these small changes can add up to significant transformations. There are 4 key concepts to understand about evolution. First, evolution affects populations, not individuals. A single organism cannot evolve during its lifetime. Second, the traits that change must be heritable, meaning they can be passed down through DNA. Third, evolution occurs over a time scale of multiple generations. It's not something you can observe in a single lifetime for most species. And fourth, evolution is a continuous process that is always happening, even right now. Populations are constantly adapting to their environments. Let's look at a simple example of evolution in action: bacterial resistance to antibiotics. When bacteria are exposed to antibiotics, most of them die. However, a few individuals may have genetic variations that allow them to survive. These survivors reproduce, passing on their resistance genes to the next generation. Over many generations, the entire population becomes resistant to the antibiotic. This is evolution happening in real time, and it's why doctors warn against overusing antibiotics. Evolution occurs through 4 main mechanisms. Natural selection is the survival and reproduction of organisms best suited to their environment. Genetic drift refers to random changes in allele frequencies, especially in small populations. Gene flow is the movement of genes between populations when individuals migrate and reproduce. And mutation is the source of all genetic variation, creating new alleles through changes in DNA. These 4 mechanisms work together to drive evolutionary change. Natural selection is often considered the most important mechanism of evolution. For natural selection to occur, 3 requirements must be met. First, there must be variation in traits among individuals in a population. Second, there must be differential survival and reproduction, meaning some individuals survive and reproduce more than others. And third, the traits that affect survival and reproduction must be heritable, passed from parents to offspring through genes. When all 3 conditions are met, the population will evolve. In evolution, fitness has a very specific meaning that differs from everyday usage. Fitness is measured by reproductive success, not by physical strength or how long an organism lives. An organism's fitness is determined by how many offspring it produces that survive to reproduce themselves. A very strong organism that produces no offspring has 0 fitness, while a weaker organism that produces many surviving offspring has high fitness. This is why reproductive success is the ultimate measure of evolutionary fitness. Evolution is supported by multiple independent lines of evidence from different fields of science. The fossil record shows a clear progression of life forms over millions of years. DNA sequences reveal shared genetic code across all species, with closer relatives sharing more similar DNA. Comparative anatomy shows homologous structures, like the similar bone structure in human arms, whale flippers, and bat wings. And biogeography, the study of where species live, shows distribution patterns that make sense only in light of evolution and continental drift. Let's clear up some common misconceptions about evolution. First, evolution is just a theory. In science, theory means a well-supported explanation backed by evidence, not just a guess. Second, individuals do not evolve during their lifetime. Only populations evolve across generations through changes in gene frequencies. Third, evolution does not have a direction or goal. It's not progressive or leading toward perfection. Evolution simply responds to environmental pressures, and what works well in one environment may not work in another. Let's review the key points. Evolution is the change in populations over generations, driven by mechanisms like natural selection, genetic drift, gene flow, and mutation. Natural selection drives adaptation to the environment by favoring traits that increase reproductive success. Multiple lines of evidence from fossils, DNA, anatomy, and biogeography all support evolutionary theory. And importantly, evolution is not just something that happened in the past. It's ongoing and observable in real time, from bacteria developing antibiotic resistance to populations adapting to climate change. Understanding evolution is essential for understanding biology and the diversity of life on Earth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.